What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to Myrtle Beach Jeep Jam 2021. Let's get to the show. I apologize if there's a lot of wind. I'm in the widest open space out here because I'm trying to avoid a bunch of noise like that. But Myrtle Beach Jeep Jam is a party. So if you're new here, my name is Carlos. I build Jeeps like this. So yeah, let's get into the show. And it looks like it's getting rowdy already. And just like that, that is a wrap on Jeep Jam 2021. It was a good time. If you were here, drop a comment down below. Let me know if you were here. If you're new to this channel and you want to, go ahead, hit the subscribe button down below. It means a lot to me to have new people here. And trust me, I've got some really cool and interesting stuff coming. So you're going to want to see that in the future. If you were here at Jeep Jam, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. Drop a comment down below. Let me know that you were here. I know that I have a giveaway announcement that I was supposed to give you guys last week. That is still coming. Don't worry, if you entered that giveaway, you're going to find out about the winner very shortly. I wanted to go ahead and get this video up and make sure that it was all squared away and just kind of show you guys the time that we had here at Jeep Jam. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.